Hey everyone, welcome back to our last episode of the Grammy series. Yes guys, you heard right. It is our last episode of the Grammy series. So guys, as we have seen in our previous episodes, what are the basic parts of speech, and we covered all the topics. But now is the time for taking a look over the last topic, that is intersection. Yes guys, this is our last topic, because this interjection always helps us for showing us our emotions in a sentence. I know guys, you are interested to know about how can a word shows our emotions within a sentence. So without wasting time, let's get started. Hey everyone, I am Mohit Pandey and you are watching Trendy Chat. So guys, as I mentioned before, only in this video, we are going to cover the topic called interjection. Before going through the topic, I want to share you something guys. If you missed to watch the episodes of the Grammy series, you can visit to my channel and go through the playlist section. You will got to know the Grammy series playlist. In that, you can watch all the episodes of the Grammy series. So do not worry guys, if you forgot to watch our previous episodes, now you can watch by just visiting our channel. So if you liking this series, please share with all the friends of your family members, all them, because they will also got to know about the basic grammar skills and they will also improve their vocabulary. So let's take a look over what is interjection actually mean. So guys, an interjection means a word which expresses emotions or feelings within a sentence. Yes guys, you heard right, because this is the word which will expresses our emotions and feelings. It will try to cover your emotions and it will describe what are you feeling about a particular thing. So here's the definition of interjection. Interjection means that because it will always shows the emotion and expression, what are you thinking about a particular thing. So I know guys, you are really interested to know the examples of it. So there are many of examples. I picked up very best example for you. If you enjoying this video, please hit the like button, because from that I also really get motivated from you, and I will try to my best for making another series for you. So our first example, that is guys, alas, Rohan failed the exam. Yes guys, can you think I told you a sentence now, but I express my feelings. Yes guys, I know you are also thinking, I told you a sentence, but I am not happy to say it. That's the magic of the intersection. Yes guys, if you able to find what is interjection, find it, hidden it in, so you can comment me in the down below and let me know are your answers are correct or not. So guys, here the interjection word, that is alas. Yes guys, it means that we are not happy to a particular movement or particular thing. Means a particular action has been taken place, but we are not happy to see it. That's the real meaning of this word. Yes guys, since if you want to express your own thoughts, you can use your own words. But before going to another example, I want to share a trick with you. If you want a trick to find intersection word in a sentence, or if you want to collaborate, it is an interjection word, sentence or word, then there's a trick for it. So if you want that trick, please tell me in the comment below and write trick. Yes guys, the trick is, in every interjection sentence or word, there will be an exclamation mark at the end. Yes guys, the exclamation mark is necessary while writing a interjection sentence or word. This is the rule of the interjection that you have to follow. And from that, you can also find out all the intersection sentences rapidly. So it is the trick for you guys. A second example, that is guys, wow, what a beautiful car. Yes guys, this is our second example. Can you able to find here? If yes, then tell me in the comment below. So guys, here's the interjection word, that is wow. Yes guys, because this is the word representing our emotion, that we are happy to see that it is a very beautiful car and our mind is really get happy to see it. That's the real meaning of this sentence guys. In such a way you can use your own mentality and your thoughts by applying any of interjection word in your sentence. Our third example, that is guys, hooray, we won the game. Yes guys, this is our third example. In this, can you able to find interjection? Here the interjection is hooray. Yes guys, it is the interjection because it is representing our happiness to by winning a game. Yes guys, there are some people who has won the game and they are really happy to see it because they have taken efforts and they won the game. Therefore, they are expressing their emotions. So guys, you will also take control on your emotions because we are going forward to our next example. Our fourth example, that is guys, congrats, you got your master degree. Yes guys, because here's the situation is different. In this situation, you have to use congrats because of there are some rules. Because in a situation, if someone, your friends or relative member achieved a success in their life, then you can say congrats or what is the success he had got. You can apply this both sentences and form a new sentence. As I mentioned in my all videos guys, please use your mentality to forming or making a new sentence or a word. Because if you will try by your own self, then only you are going to be familiar with the grammar and English vocabulary. Because if you will try, you will always get the success. Our fifth example, that is guys, that is not least but not the last. Yes guys, because it is the example, ouch, that hurts. Yes guys, I want to share also this example because of you, because there are some reasons. Because I am also getting some sad to ending this series because we have done lots of fun by making this series with us guys. Because you show your interest very much. So from that I am really get happy from you. Because you are such lovely audience. They have appreciated me. So I am also happy with you guys. Please tell me in the comment below how you like this series guys. Because I also want to know how you like this series and what should I improve for you guys. So we will meet in our next video. Stay motivated with us and take a step towards success.